Okay, this is page 3 in your packet. Polygon is, and so if you've watched the video, you should know all these answers. Polygon is the general term for a shape or what we call a closed figure. Polygons have straight sides that don't overlap. Polygons are named for their number of sides or points or vertices. Either way, it has the same number of sides as points. So we're just going to draw some examples. You can draw my examples or you can draw your examples. Either way, pause it and give me 5 polygon examples and 5 non-polygon examples. Note that the examples, polygons can't have rounded sides, so that's why this one and this one are out. The polygons can't cross, so that's kind of why that one and this one that's got that random long piece. And then polygons also have to be closed, so that's why that one doesn't work. Now we're going to talk about 2 words that we use to describe polygons. We have convex polygons. That means all angles point to the exterior or outside. And those are the ones like you normally think of. A rectangle, a trapezoid, a triangle, a pentagon. Those all point to the outside. Concave, you see this word cave in here. I always think of cave like an opening into, like you go into the earth. So a polygon with at least one angle that points to the interior. Another word for interior would be inside. So let's draw some examples of that. So still a polygon. It's terrible. So these are all concave polygons, and at least one angle points to the interior. So in this first picture, that's my interior angle. On the second one, it's got 1, 2, 3 of its angles that are pointing to the inside. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 of its angles point to the inside, and this one has 1. So whatever number it has, if it has 1 or more, it's concave. If nothing's pointing to the inside, it's convex. All right, take a minute to pause this and be sure you get all of these written down. You will have a quiz, and I will give you all of the words, and it'll be numbered 3 through 15 or something, and you will have to name the words. So we all know a 3-sided shape is a triangle. 4-sided we call a quadrilateral, and you might think, well, there's squares and rectangles and parallelograms. Yes, those are all 4-sided, but the general term we use for those are quadrilateral. 5 sides is pentagon. 6, like a stop sign, is hexagon. 7 is heptagon. 8, think of an octopus with 8 arms, it's octagon. 9 is nonagon. 10 is decagon. 11, it has that same decagon word in it. We just put the hen in front, so it's hendecagon. 12 is very similar. It's dodecagon. Anything past 12, we just say the number and then say agon. So 13agon, 14agon, 15agon, enagon. So if I had a shape with 94 sides, it'd be a 94agon. And I think it's interesting that we have to start. Why do you think we have to start with a 3? Why can't we start with 1 or 2? Well, if it's 1, I have a line. And if it's 2, I have an angle. I can't form a polygon until I have 3 sides. So polygons start with triangles. We need to learn a few more terms about polygons. We have equilateral polygons. It means that all of the sides are equal. And to show that in that picture, I put these hash marks. And when I see that, with it marked like that, it tells me that all those sides are equal. Equiangular, Close to the same thing, equal, but this one is meaning all the angles. And to mark that, I do these rainbows. Everybody gets one arc in their corners. So equilateral are all the sides. Equal angular are all the angles. Then we have what we call regular polygons. A polygon that is equilateral, meaning its sides are equal. Equal angular, meaning its angles are equal. And it also must be convex, meaning everything's pointing out. So those are the three requirements for a regular polygon. All that is saying is that all the sides and angles are equal. So we're going to mark these regular polygons. So I know that all its sides are equal. So everyone gets one hash mark. I also know this is a square, so it's all right angles. So instead of arcs, I'm going to put my right angle symbol. But that's regular. The same with this triangle. Its sides are all equal. Its angles are all equal. Now I have this rectangle, and I know that this side, this top equals the bottom, and the two sides equal each other, but they're not all total equal. All their angles are 90, but it still can't be regular because that top and bottom don't equal the sides. The same with this isosceles triangle. Those two sides are equal, and those two angles are equal, but this guy and the bottom are different. Last thing, another name for a regular quadrilateral. So everything's equal. It's got four sides. We call that a square. Thank you.